Hey, my name is Jared, and this is my review of these cat replacement filter sponges for the water fountain. These did a really good job of replacing the current filters and carbon sponge that's in there. It's time to change these, so I'm going to open this up and we'll take a look at it. So inside the box here, you have these little carbon sponges that go right into the water fountain. So I'm going to take this out. We're going to replace this. This will just come right out and we'll throw that away. And we'll place this new black one right in here, like so. Fits really well. And we'll place this back down, like so. And then we'll replace this here. This is the other sponge. So we'll take this out, like so. Put it in and we're good to go. So I'm going to fill this back up with water and we'll see how it works. Okay, so we're full of water, so we're going to put this back together. Just make sure that this cord for the Veken water fountain, just make sure this goes in this little nook here, so that way you can put everything on top so it fits nice and tight. So this goes right back on top. Then we put the gray piece, the fountain part, and then we'll put the spout, just like so. Then we'll just plug it in. We'll see that it will light up and everything is working just the way it should. You'll hear initial noise as everything starts to flow through it, but then once it's running, it will go back to being silent again. But I highly recommend these filter replacements and this water fountain.